welcome back to my channel. This week I have another baking video. I wanted to make another cake and explore different filling flavors as well as different techniques for decorating and different buttercream recipes. I even had a little helper, my nephew Ethan. I hope you enjoy.
Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me or tell me the way that you're feeling. Oh, I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing. Oh, that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.
No, I saw this on YouTube.
That I'll never know. Maybe there's parts of you
Gonna be a sugar drink.
that I'll never know. I get
Sugar
impatient, this constant waiting. Wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time with you. And that's just how it goes. Maybe
Wait. Okay, ready?
You don't know how to pack an
You're gonna
egg?
bang it on there. Not too hard. Yeah, one more. Harder. Okay, that's good. Alright, now open the shell over that.
Oh!
Whoa! Yeah. Oh, we gotta
Why are you putting an egg?
that I'll never know. Never know, no. I'll never know. I'll never know. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. I'll never know.
Okay, hold that. No, you're not. Leave it there. Okay, ready? Hold it steady. Okay, now put it in. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit more. Wait, not yet. Here, we gotta use. Okay, ready? We're gonna put one more in. Wait, hold on. Okay, take it. Okay. Hold it. Okay, put it in. Okay, now you can shake it.
Oh my god, guys! This is going crazy. I don't know how we're going. Squishy now.
Okay, now we're gonna put some.
Guys, I don't know. Is this flour or butter?
Flour.
Wait, let me spin.
Uh,
Oh my god. Look
okay,
at
go.
this.
Mix it.
Oh my god, this is guys, this is weird. This feels weird. This is so soft.
Let's put some more milk.
Alright, put it. Put it in. Oh my god. Get away.
Wait, let me mix it.
What do you need this for? You making cupcakes?
No, I'm making a cake.
What do you need this for?
I don't need that.
Yes! You said yes!
I'm on the way, like Lake Michigan. Shorties out here playing playoffs, first seed. You deserve a jersey, hanging from the nosebleeds, all up in the rafters. This that happily ever after. Nah, wrong page, different chapter. She said slow down, then went faster. Wait, I might be the realest one that got away. I just talked to God, I had a lot to say. Had to get thanks, cause I feel great. I need a space. I gotta think, cause I'm on my way up. Taking no pay cuts. I need my right hand. Should be a lay up. Covered in fake love. How you gonna stay down if you can't wait up? She said she the one, I bet she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break. On the brakes. I'm on a wave like Lake Michigan. Go. she the one, best she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break, on brakes. I'm on a wave, like Lake Michigan.
I need your love. You are my drug. The scary thought of losing you makes me shiver. You make this home. You and I can make it together. We can see through the clouds in bad weather. Your love's like the rain, each drop filled with emotion, like the tears from my face. Your love's like the sun, I need it and feel it. I've known from the start you're the one. I need your love. You make me feel so alive. I want your love. You and I can make it together. We can see through the clouds in bad weather. Your love's like the rain, each drop filled with emotion, like the tears from my face. Your love's like the sun, I need it and feel it. I have always known you're the one. I'll watch you like fire in the night. I will be there for you when things aren't so right. Your love's like the rain, each drop filled with emotion, like the tears from my face. Your love's like the wind, is changing its direction. Your love's more addictive with time. I need your love.
Don't paint me thankless, just have to say this. Know you down with the way you move. Lost in your fragrance, still makes me
No,
anxious.
Ethan, wait. Put this,
Doesn't
actually
feel
put this right
knowing
here.
You never show me, you tell me the way that you're feeling. Feeling. Oh, I never ask you the questions, cause maybe I'm fearing. Fearing. Oh,
Right here. No, no, no.
that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. That I'll never know. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. I get impatient, this constant waiting. Just wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time with you. But that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you